Guys, welcome to the freebellydance.com, freebellyddanceclasses.com website. If you haven't checked out the website, make sure you do. But today I'm going to show you a very simple, easy combination. All you're going to be doing here is, I want you to imagine first of all that the beat is like boom, boom, boom. So it's kind of like slow, but not too slow, and then marked, either a 2 or a 4. It all depends on the speed of the music. So what we're going to try to do is, first of all, we're going to try and draw half a circle like this with our toe. So I want you to like point your toe, lock your knee, and then kind of think of that like you have a pan between your toes right here, and you're trying to draw a big half circle on the floor. Okay? So what we're going to do is draw the big half circle, and then switch the weight. Draw a big half circle, switch the weight, big half circle, switch the weight. Now what's going to happen is at the moment we're going to be switching the weight, we're going to actually lift the other hip. And that's going to be the boom part. That's going to be the strong beat. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. There is actually 2 ways you can do this. I'll show you the easy way and then a hard way. The easy way actually looks better, believe it or not. But like a lot of things in life, huh? But the easy way is to not think about that switch of weight as instant. It's not like the moment you drop that foot, the other one goes up, because you're not too close to make that happen. Your feet actually open a little bit wider, unless you want to do half a circle that's kind of small. Circle, boom, circle, boom. So as you see, my half circle is small, and that makes it easy for me to like really lift the other side at the same second as I'm dropping this. So that's possible. Now it is important to make sure that the hip that you're trying to lift stays down. So don't try to lift the hip as you're doing your circle. So circle, boom. So this one should be down before. So this one should stay down. Just keep it down as you circle. Don't lift anything, and quick. So boom, 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 boom. Okay? But that's a small circle. What looks better is actually a bigger circle. Okay? So nice and big, and then switch the weight. Nice and big, switch the weight. The problem with this posture right here is when you have your feet open too wide, it's really hard to kind of do this, you know, to lift that hip easily. So at that time, your best bet will not be to do a quick weight switch to lift the hip like we're doing. You cannot do this easily, you know. It's not sharp. You can't make it sharp, and it doesn't look as good. Okay, it doesn't feel right at all. So what we're gonna do is a circle and switch the weight, and we're gonna do more of like a kick rather than quick weight switch for the lift. It's more of a kick. So big circle, kick, big circle, pause, kick, big circle, pause, kick, big circle, pause, and then a kick. So you gotta pause to get the toe here ready to do the kick. And you really gotta be kicking with this foot wide still on the toe, so you bring in your knee in. Boom. That's why you need that pause, because you need that time to bring that knee in before you can kick out, because you gotta bring it in to bring it out. So it's just, you know, how the human body works. So big circle, take your time, bring it in and kick. Big circle, take your time to bring it in and a kick. So you must pause a little bit, which means that you cannot do this when it's really, really fast. If it's really fast, then you gotta do small circles, lift, small circles, small circle, lift. So boom, 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 boom. So that's fast. You got it nice and slow. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? So it's very different. It produces different effect. It looks differently, feels differently, it has a different count, and it's different mechanics of the body. But to the eye, it could actually look exactly the same. Big circle kick, or big circle hip, but it's really not the same hip motion. One is more of like a pistol lift, and the other one is more of like a simple kick to the side. So, but they both go with exactly the same beat. I know that's what I want to show you guys. It's the simple, slow, 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 boom, strong beat to mark it. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what to do with that beat. I will will see you guys next time with the next video. In the meantime, make sure you check out the website. It's freebellydanceclasses.com. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not yet. There are plenty of free class videos coming up all the time. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.